It's nighttime! The stars are out! Let's go stargazing! We have our telescope. It will help us see far, far away. We are so excited to see the moon. We carefully set up the telescope. It looks like a giant spyglass. We point it towards the moon. Wow! The moon looks so big and bright tonight. Are you ready to see something amazing? Let's look through the telescope. Look through the telescope. See that big bright circle? That's the moon. It's our closest neighbor in space. The moon looks closer now, right? That's what the telescope does. It's like a superpower for our eyes. Can you believe we can see the moon this well from Earth? Space is so cool. Look closely at the moon. It's not just a big bright ball. It has mountains and valleys. It even has craters. Those craters were made by space rocks hitting the moon long, long ago. See the dark parts and light parts on the moon? Those are shadows. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects light from the sun. That's why it looks so bright. The moon looks a little different every night. Sometimes it's a full circle. Sometimes it's a half circle. And sometimes it looks like a banana. That's because the moon orbits, or travels around, the Earth. As it moves, the sun shines on different parts of it. The moon is always changing. That's what makes it so fun to watch. Keep looking up at the night sky. There's so much to discover.